So most people actually think they need to spend a lot of money to actually use AI tools, but I'm going to actually prove that completely wrong at this point. Now, what I'm trying to tell you is I have spent last week actually testing about 5 major AI tools that are completely free, no trials, no credit card, and of course, to see which one of them can actually help creators to make real money. And some of the results actually shocked me, yes, because I didn't use any money to get that done. And by the end of this video, I will show you exactly which tool that is actually worth your time and which one you need to actually discard, of course, a waste of time. All right. So here is what nobody is actually telling you. A lot of tools, like hundreds of tools outside there, 90% of them, you can actually buy them and it will cost you money, but they're actually generating a lot of garbage for you and nobody is refunding. Of course, as a creator based in Nigeria, I cannot afford to be throwing away my resources here and there. And of course, most of them don't work. So I set a rule for myself. If it is not free, I am not testing it. That is the truth. If it is not free, I am not testing it. I'm not going to plug in my card to any tools at all. So, and if it doesn't help creators to make content faster and to earn money, I am actually off it. It's actually off my list forever. So these are 5 major tools that actually make a cut for me. For me, these are tools that you actually need to rely on if you want to get the best out of it at the beginning. So let's go through them one after the other. And at the end of the day, I will rank them from the worst to the best in this particular video. So let's dive in. Tool number 1 for me is actually ChatGPT, and of course the free plan. And some people now say, I know ChatGPT before now. Most creators are actually using it completely wrong. There are some parts of this particular tools that you're not using the right way. They are using it only to do caption, to write caption and generate one or two things. But I'm going to show you how you can actually use it for monetization. Of course, within 5 minutes, you are done with monetization. So here is the exact prompt that we are going to use for this particular one. So you are going to prompt the AI, you are a content strategy for a YouTube channel about AI tools, and write me a 500-word script for a short that actually promotes my affiliate link. Of course, you can put your affiliate link there or just talk about your affiliate link without sounding like an ad. And then, of course, the hook must create curiosity in 3 seconds. So watch what is going to come out right away. So as you can see, this is a complete short script with a built-in affiliate plug, 0 cost, 2 minute verdict. So very simple. So this one actually earn money directly through your affiliate content. So keep it aside. Then we go to the next one. So the number 2 tool here is actually Canva. And of course, the AI feature on it is on a free plan, specifically for the magic write and the background remover. Here is why this actually matters. So I'm actually going to build a thumbnail for this exact video right now. And of course, I'm going to use Canva free version, no subscription, no paid subscription, no card is necessary. Let's go. So that took me about 4 minutes or less to actually make professional quality free. So what is my judgment here? Indirect money makers, and it increases every video performance, which is very essential for everyone who is a creator. Totally free. That is my number 2. My number 3 tools for today is CapCut. And the major tools that I use on it is the auto caption and the auto cut features that is on it right now. And here is where a lot of creators are actually missing some things. If you actually can produce video 3x faster, then you can actually upload 3x more video often, and then upload means more chance to actually make more money and to make algorithm to actually push your content very well, because the algorithm understands you when your content is actually uploaded in numbers, of course. So that automatically is money making. So if I can edit a 10-minute video in just 18 minutes using my CapCut AI free tools, of course there are some things that you will not touch if you're on the free version. This actually helped me a lot. It helps me to be fast and produce a lot. So to me, the productivity multiplier is why I look at this particular AI as helping me to make a lot of money. You use it for every video that you want to use it for. And to me, it's fast money. All right. So quick fire for the remaining 2 tools that we need to use. ElevenLabs free plan is also another AI tool that you cannot play with. They give you about 10,000 free character of voiceover per month. And if you are actually doing faceless content, this is your own voice. Yes, the free tiers is actually okay for you. It's enough to do at least 3 to 4 short video per month. And then of course, money angle. Faceless channel can run completely on schedules without recording yourself. So tool number 5 for me is Gemini free plan. So you can actually use it to make your research, idea generation. I use it specifically to find trending topics on my niche before anyone else does. So pair it with ChatGPT and you have a full content research system, completely free. Yes, at this point, completely free, except you want to do an advanced stuff with it. That is completely free. All right, so this is my final ranking from most to least impactful for making money as a creator. Number one, ChatGPT, direct path to affiliate link. Of course, that is affiliate income through scripted content. Number two is CapCut. You're actually making faster way to increase your output without burning out anytime, any day. Canva, every good thumbnails actually earns you a lot of money, a lot of views, a lot of conversion, and that is money already. And then already you'll know what ElevenLabs can do for you. Essentially, if you want to run faceless content, and then of course you use the voiceover. And then number five is Google Gemini. You do your research, and then of course it's not something that you can skip at any time. So if you combine all these tools together, definitely you have an army of tools that you can start your AI journey with. The truth is, none of this actually costs you any single naira. All five together, that is a complete content business from zero budgets. So if this video is actually useful for you, subscribe, because every week I'll actually break down exactly how to use AI tools to grow faster and earn more money as a creator.